Right, well, a bit of gutted there. Can't believe I didn't do it. Oh, I don't know. Just didn't have the bottle to walk right across, but say it swang like that the minute you stepped on it. Oh, I'm just a big chicken, honestly. Oh, I've got to toughen up. Right, anyway, let's get going. Let's head down to Loch Lee and see what that's looking like today. Now, this is the old church, just at the edge of Loch Lee. Very nice. There's some more of these cartoon gravestones that Jag likes. That one. So there you go, it's church cam. Yeah, it's a nice nice little ruin, beautiful setting for it, right on the loch side. Nice window there, look. I'm in the window. So there we go. So we got to the end of the, well, start of the loch I should say, so just sitting here looking at this absolutely beautiful view. It really is stunning. I'll just flick the camera around so you can see. There you go. And there's the path that goes up there, the right hand side. And that's where I'm going to walk just in a couple of minutes. I was going to try and get right up there, but I think, I don't know, we'll see. I might actually go right round the valley to the waterfall after all. So we're now at the Invermark estate, the official start of it. Now that's the way I normally go, down there and through the valley to the waterfall. And I was going to go that way today, along that path up that hill, but I just don't know if I can be bothered. That's a terrible attitude, but I think I'll go the normal way, that way, and see what the waterfall's like today. And that's us now at the top of the loch. Right, that's stage 3 done. One more stage to go. Up to the waterfall there, I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So another 20-minute walk and we'll be there hopefully. Just going to stop for a quick 5-minute water stop. So this is my little lunch spot. Gonna have a quick sandwich here. Lovely. Well, at least this bridge looks a bit easier to get over. Don't think it wobbles. best. Right, we have lots of sheep in our way. This is hopefully they move and don't charge me. They've got lambs at the moment, so they are quite volatile, so looks like they're moving, which is good. Right, we're so close now, and the rain's coming on. I don't believe it. So I'm going to try and get a few pictures before it gets too heavy. So there's the waterfall. We're going to get a bit closer. Okay, we're live at Space Cam and we're going down. Oh, a bit windy. Right, I'm going to switch off for a minute. Okay, we're back live again at Space Cam. Here we are at the waterfall. We made it! We made it to the falls, it's awesome! Look at that! Woohoo! Right folks, I've hidden the space card! There it is! Space card! You can hear me, so that's it. That's just made it to the top of the waterfall. So now it's a long 1.5 to 2 hour walk back. Ooh, it's been great though. Here comes the rain again. Just passed 4 people there who are heading up to the waterfall, so let's hope they find the Spiz card. You just never know. Just never know. So Spiz card people, if you're watching this, well found. That was me. It was me that put the card there. So we're nearly back. We've got another 45 minutes to walk. So luckily the rain stayed off. Sun's come out and it's actually really, really warm. So nice. I might just stop down here in a minute just for eat my second roll that I've got. Okay, so it took about 1.5 hours to walk back there, but very enjoyable. As per normal, lovely walk back. Now just enjoying a nice cup of coffee. But it was weird on the way back. Well, I've stopped in a different car park now, but the other car park, there was a lady beside me just come back off the top of the mountain. She'd been away all day and she was really hyper, going, "Oh, I've just come back from an adventure, it was really good." And she was making notes in a little book. And I was sure it was Hazel Agnes. So Hazel, if you're watching this. And I said, "Is your name Hazel?" And she went, "No, no, no." But her name was actually Agnes, believe it or not. So, but Hazel, it looked like you and it sounded like you. And because she was out having an adventure, I did think it was you. So, but no, it was a looky-likey Hazel Agnes. So, just wait to finish with coffee. I've stopped at Taffside. It's, what time is it? 3:30. I've still no signal on my phone. I was going to maybe be meeting Jag for a wee afternoon spiz, but I can't get a signal. And he didn't text me yesterday anyway, so he's maybe doing his own thing. So, just going to drive home now. Thank you for watching. And there might be some extras after this, I don't know. Bye-bye.